In this pandemic COVID-19 outbreak, we are assessing the post-COVID effect as a case study of what will be the consequences of pandemic COVID-19 outbreak. Where will be the economy going to take the side of? What is crisis management? What are debt and what's the emerging opportunities? Everything is at stake. So why not we disclose this in the business? So hereby we will going to assess what the business activity is pursuing ahead in case study. So let's have a look in second phase. Here I welcome you in second phase of learning case study of business studies, chapter number 1 and 2. We are discussing here for revision tour. Indian companies need to consider the advantage of Egypt's geographical location to access Europe, Middle East and Africa market. Egypt is a politically stable country, has a liberal economy which has enabled Indian industry to invest more than $3.15 billion in Egypt, mentioned Ajit Gupte, Ambassador of India to Egypt in virtual inaugural session themed India-Egypt Business Promotion Challenges Opportunities of 3P Egypt International Expo 2021. So we have to address which type of business highlight. Here, in 3P Egypt International Expo 2021, which being taken place on June to 15-16 year financial year. Read above media report, and we have collected this from Economic Time Bureau, June 17, 2021, and we have to attend the following questions. Which type of business is highlighted in above media report? State the classification of business segment discussed in above report. So we have to answer this. The country marks the Egypt, Europe, Middle East and Africa market. That means business is international. And we have trade, business promotion, trade, then international trade is the answer for it. Because international trade is an exchange involving a good and service conducted at least between two countries. So we have Middle East, Europe and Egypt, and business promotion is there. So we will have exchange of goods that can be import and export. It is the identification mark is external trade because it will going to have two or more countries here. And we have import when we purchases from another country. Export the moment we export or sale to other country. Import when we import that good for having export to another country. Like Indian firm import goods from USA and export it straight away to Nepal. This is import trade. So we mark the answer, that is international trade and all types of international trade. This is the first phase study of the question. Then we taken out the characteristics of the question as identification mark, and then we reveal it out with the answer. So with this segment we are closing down for today with a promise to see you again soon. Thank you for listening.